Here's Kate walking. Okay, Kate. Whoa. Show me where your chair is, Kate. Where's your chair? Good job, good job. Now show me where the refrigerator is. Yay! Now show me where the stove is. No, you can't open it, honey. Show me where the stove is. No.
No.
Please.
No.
Please, Kate, show me where the stove is. How will I cook dinner? How will I cook dinner? Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Now show me. What else can you show me? Show me where the computer is. No. No, 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 no. Don't touch that else. Show me where the computer is, honey. No, don't touch those, honey. Let's go to the door. Let's go to the door. Wow, look at you going all the way to the door. You love the door.